So we have this master G called Anis G, and I've personally been working with him way before Shobhitam. So I know him really, really well. And when Shobhitam started, we just started with saris. And then we found out that the product is not complete till you get the perfect blouse. And the first person I could think of was him. So we approached him and he started doing our blouses, which have been a mega hit. And as, more and more customers came, the designs, sort of also expanded. And this is a very funny incident. So somebody came up with a design which we thought was, it was a very early deep neck. I felt a little awkward to actually pass it on to him. And I was like, I've never done this before. How do I do it? But then I said, customers first. So, I'm not doing anything wrong. Let's see what happens. And I was even joking with my sister. Next year, I'm going to get a scolding from this wife. So we took a deep breath, forwarded that message on WhatsApp. And guess what? He was an absolute professional. And he made the perfect blouse that the customer was happy with. And, after so many years, we built our blouse vocabulary to more than 300 designs that caters to each and everything. Okay, you name it, we have that particular design. And what I realized through the process is, education can only take you so far. So he's probably studied till 2nd grade or 3rd grade. He doesn't know English. And that really didn't matter. What really mattered was his agility and willingness to innovate and move ahead with current tags. That was the game changer. So at Shobhitam, even with our employees, what we really value is not your current skill level, not your current education, but how much are you willingness to learn, your willingness to adapt and being agile.